Here we discuss some more question. Show that for any set A and B, A is equals to A intersection B union A minus B, and A in union B minus A is equals to A union B. First of all, A intersection B union A minus B, also written as A intersection B complement. We discussed already in exercise 1.6. Now apply the distributive law here. If you see A intersection B and A intersection B complement, this A is common, intersection is the same, so I can write down A intersection B intersection B complement. If you open this statement of distributive law, you will get this result. See, A intersection B, then A intersection B complement, and the result between them is equals to U. You can simply understand by a formula A into B plus C. First of all, it is AB, then AC. This is your distributive law. Now see, A into B, whatever the symbol here, we can use the same symbol with between these two. So A, B. So this is A intersection B. This result is there. If you observe this one, A intersection C, between them the symbol whatever lies in between them. In between them there is a symbol of union. So union B intersection B union B complement. B union B complement. It is again the property. It is the universal set U. A intersection B, that is equals to A. And now A intersection universal set U, that is equals to A, because A is the small subset of always U. If you see the second part, now in this case we open the distributive law, in this case we close the distributive law. A union B intersection A complement, it becomes A union B. After that A intersection A complement. In this we open the distributive law, it becomes A union B intersection A union A complement. Again A union A complement, it is universal set. A union B intersection with universal set. Definitely this set is a small set, so A union B. This is your right and left. Similarly, we are discuss about this question on base of the distributive law. A union A intersection B, then again A union A and A union B along with intersection. A union A, that is equals to A intersection A union B. A and A intersection A union B. Definitely A is the small set among them, so answer is A. If you observe this, A intersection A union B, that is equals to A. A intersection A union B. A intersection A first of all, then A intersection B, among them between them union. A intersection A union A intersection B, that is equals to